Hi, what's up guys, today I got another video of crazy people versus bikers, so check this out and drive safe. In this clip, this driver trying to cut off the biker and nearly hit him. In this clip, this biker just found this tape on the road. Who's trying to steal their bike?
Look, that's my other bike.
Yep.
I told you I had two bikes.
That's right here, right?
Yeah, that's not too far from here.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Yep. Who's that?
It's this guy trying to steal my bike.
Wow. Let me see who he looks like. Let me see who he looks like.
Yeah, he pushed it away.
Did he get it?
Oh, he didn't get far.
It is a man.
He was actually stopped by a bandito.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Nice.
Check it out. I actually got a little bit of him on camera.
And the bandito stopped him.
Look at that.
Who's that? That's the guy that stole the bike?
Yeah.
Oh, but I never stole it. I never stole the bike.
What do you mean you never stole the bike?
When?
Look at that's you right there. You stole my cycle, George.
No, I didn't.
Obviously, you didn't get off.
I thought, God, listen, here's what it says. Listen.
Do you remember that?
Shut down the government.
You remember that?
Yep.
What were you going to do with my bike, George?
I was just going to use it for a little bit, but I didn't take it.
You didn't take it because somebody they pulled you off.
Yep, I don't remember that at all, and I don't remember none of it. But I'll tell you.
Look that's you.
You got, oh shit, that's right.
Yeah, I got you on security camera.
Thank you.
And you know what? What happened? What happened to the cops? They picked you up and where'd they take you?
When that day? When that day?
Because we had 3 cop cars come. Look, there you go. You're ranting. You just walk up, get right on my bike.
That's not me though.
That's not George.
That's not me.
Don't lie to me, bro.
There's a cut. Watch. There's a cut in it.
There's a cut because I cut it all together.
Why would I take your goddamn bike?
That's what I want to know.
Brother, you know I love you more than anything.
I thought it was really weird because this is the second time, and then I just left and I was like, I know you from somewhere.
That one I can't.
I had words with you back then.
You did? Where?
But the biker was cool and leave him without anything saying.
That's you, right?
Yep, that's me, but watch.
Then that's you wearing the same.
Java Jive, look at that.
That's where you said you were born.
Yeah, I was conceived there. Your mom prayed for you a lot. See, I was conceived at the Java Jive right over here. You know the Java Jive? That little cheap object that's still standing there that it can't touch, right?
So you just tried to steal my bike?
Oh yeah, I remember that. And I said and I didn't take it though. Remember your
because you got caught.
Yes, I was just sitting on it. I just wanted to sit on it.
You rolled it out of the parking lot.
I did roll it down the road. Come on now, I did not take it out of the parking lot. You remember you were there. Left notes for me. Memory is kind of. My memory was kind of sarcastic. He's kind of sarcastic.
How am I supposed to let that slide, dude?
I love you, brother. I love you. That's all I can say. I love you.
How am I supposed to let that slide, dog?
What do you want me to do to make it up?
I just thought it was a small world. I catch you back out on the street corner again like this.
What do you want me to do to make it up?
There's nothing you can do, but damn, man.
I can't. I didn't take your bike. I know I didn't take your bike. And what you? Let me see. How do I say this? You came out. It was it.
Where was your pipe?
It was at the American flag, right?
Yeah, where's your pipe, man? I just want to make sure you...
No, I haven't smoked it. I don't know where it went. I don't know where the pipe... I think it's in my bag. I don't know where my dope went. I think it might be in there, maybe. But anyway...
Is it in there?
I think so, maybe.
What you got in there?
Maybe. I don't think so. Not in there.
Man,
listen,
I thought we were cool, and then I realized you stole my Harley, dude.
Harley. You're funny. Oh God, I love this guy. I love you with all my heart and soul. And the reason I sat on your bike is because
you didn't sit on my bike. You rolled it out the lot.
Where was it? The flag? Where the flag was, Paul?
It was over there, yeah. It was in the parking lot.
Only place I ever sat on.
You rolled it down the hill with the alarm blaring.
Oh no!
And then another bandito ran over and pulled you off.
That wasn't me. That wasn't me.
You just saw the video, right?
Yeah, but that wasn't me.
Man.
That's all I gotta say.
Man.
I'm the truth. I'm the
Yeah.
truth and the lie.
Yeah, that video is lying, right?
That video's lying.
Yeah.
I'm the truth.
All right. I'll totally believe you over that video.
The thing is that
You.
of you. You are of me. You're a Christian. I'm a Christian. That's it. Simple. We're brothers.
I'm not sure I can fist bump you anymore, man. You stole my baby.
You got it back.
Yeah.
I didn't even get it started, I guess. I don't know. I didn't take it nowhere. I didn't get taken nowhere. I didn't do nothing. All I did is sat on a bike over the only time. I don't know. I am truly sorry if I did.
Yeah, you stole my bike, man. I got it back.
But later this guy apologized.
It worries me, man. Especially you telling me other people are stealing from you. Now I know why. Stay up, man. Get better, dude. All right,
man. Hey, love you, brother. You be good. Hey, come and see me again. I'll make it up. I'll just buy you a beer.
Righto, dude.
All right, thanks, bro. I love you.
He'll buy me a beer next time he sees me.
This driver is trying to cut off the biker on double yellow now. What do you think about this situation?
You got a problem? Stupid. Holy! I got that on camera! Wow!
In this clip, this lady is just angry for the bikers who's riding their streets.
What do you mean tone it down? Tone it down when? It's loud. It's...
I know it's loud.
What do you...
Is that a standardized muffler?
It doesn't need to be. There's no law.
There's no law against it.
No. I have an R1 too with big pipes.
Huh?
I have a bigger bike with loud pipes too.
Yeah. Well, I had a Harley and it had...
I've got kids as well, and I don't put nobody's kids at.
You know that guy right there?
Well, I mean, if you look, it's a small bike. It revs up high. It's just loud.
Yeah. But anyway, that guy in particular, you are the first time I've seen you.
Right? Yeah. No, and I live back there in the cul-de-sac. I live back there with the two little girls.
Okay, well, that guy right there, if it looks like he's trying to do, I don't know what he's trying to do.
A wheelie or something.
Yeah, but, you know, it's like he takes off from down there to see just how fast he can get it going to go all the way up here, and, you know, I just don't get it. You know, you enjoy yourself.
Right? No. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, and we're usually pretty chill around them. Like just yesterday, the kids, they were out there. They wanted us to pop little wheelies on it and stuff like that. So we were having fun with them and everything else. But yeah, no, I try not to speed up and down here. Absolutely not. Yes, ma'am. And I'm Alex, by the way. It's nice to meet you. Marlene, nice to meet you. Okay. I hear you though, 100%. Yeah, I'll talk to him. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. In the parking lot, yeah. That's what I try to do. Yeah, that's what I Stables Park actually I went to and got in there and we're in the parking lot because I don't like to do it out on the streets. Just there's no point for it. So yeah, I try to.
Thanks for watching to the end. I hope you will enjoy it. See you next time.